We are the largest surveying company in Bosnia and one of the largest Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD productions mainly in Europe. We have more than 100 staff in our production, so mainly they use us as a backup. When they don't have enough time to finish something, they rely on us, and we have the contracts with them. We now have the 3 companies in portfolio. One is GEOBIRO Bosnia is the main company. Also the BIM services in Germany, which cover the Europe. Also the GEOBIRO Egypt.
Hello and welcome to WGIC, the World Geospatial Industry Council. Our guest today is Enes Jahic, Director GEOBIRO Ltd from Bosnia. Enes, thank you so much for joining this conversation.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Enes, I wanted to ask you about GEOBIRO, which is a 30-plus-year-old company and a trusted name offering a range of geodetic services, right? Can you give us a little more information about GEOBIRO and related companies?
Yes, thank you for invitation. GEOBIRO is a company located in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We started before 32 years. It's family business. My father was the founder of the GEOBIRO company, and before 11 years now, I overtake the GEOBIRO. We started as a surveying company in Bosnia, working mainly on the design and surveying background for the highways and for the local market. And after a few years, we decided to go abroad and start to work with abroad clients. So from the local surveying company, we started to be global company, providing mainly Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD services for businesses worldwide or for the surveying companies worldwide. Now, after 30 years or after 11 years with me as the CEO of the GEOBIRO, we are the largest surveying company in Bosnia and one of the largest Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD productions mainly in Europe. Together with GEOBIRO Bosnia, we have connected companies, BIM services in Germany, which provide laser scanning services in Europe. And from last 3 months, we also have the GEOBIRO Egypt as the backup production to increase number of staff and to increase our position on the global market.
Thank you so much for sharing this note about the company and the expansiveness of your operations. As you mentioned, GEOBIRO is one of the leaders in Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD productions in Europe. How does GEOBIRO get into this position? Can you tell us more about these services?
Yes, as I said, we started as a surveying company because we think about what we can do next in our business, because we have all technical knowledge and experience in-house as the surveying company. We think how we can support global surveying or geospatial businesses with some services connected with the surveying or geospatial. And we decide before 8 years now, we decide to enter this scanning industry, mainly scanning industry, and we started with the companies in Germany and UK as production or as support from for the surveying companies there. Mainly we always go to exhibitions or expos, and our slogan is like you scan, we produce. So mainly our clients are surveying companies who scan the projects and send the point clouds to us to provide 2D or 3D modeling. And now after 8 years, we are one of the leaders on this market, together with our BIM and services company in Germany, who provide laser scanning mainly in Europe. So we have now in Bosnia like Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD production, who deal with the clients in UK, Ireland, Germany, and the US.
Okay, so you mentioned about your client, how you're providing Scan-to-BIM and Scan-to-CAD services to your clients in these geographies. But would you also like to help us understand what are the applications or the industries your clients are working in and how they're using these end products in their services and offerings?
Yeah, as I said, now we mainly work with surveying companies, the large surveying companies, but also the large construction companies who has the BIM department, and we mainly support them with production. We have more than 100 staff in our production, so mainly they use us as a backup. When they don't have enough time to finish something, they rely on us, and we have the contracts with them. So all projects that they can't finish in time, then rely on us and provide us the point clouds. And not only the point clouds, we always also work on some clash detections, some BIM projects. When construction company got the new project, we prepare them the 3D Revit model, also the ArchiCAD model, and prepare them for the tender. When they won the tender, they use the laser scanning on some milestones to check the design, to check the construction site, and we compare the point clouds with the model. We define the changes in the models and changes in the construction. So we help them with production mainly.
Okay, you mentioned that you're already servicing 100 plus customers, right? Would you like to share some of the most complicated projects you have handled for them in the recent times?
Yes, as I said, we yearly we have more than 1,000 projects in worldwide, and from small to big projects. And when we talk about projects and complicated projects, it's always connected with heritage objects. Old church, old buildings where they need to renovate it, and from the point clouds we create the 3D models from them, and it's not easy. It's really challenging to do these things. And also we work on many stadiums, really big stadiums, for the renovations, because when they want to renovate something, they must start from the as-built models, and we help them with them. Also, last years we worked on many water treatment plants. They scan the water treatment factory and for the renovations, for this new design, and we create the BIM or 3D models for them.
All right. So, what is you mentioned that your geographic footprint is much beyond Bosnia and Herzegovina and also Europe, now stretching into United States as well. What are your plans to expand both in terms of geographies and also in terms of your capabilities?
Yeah, as I said, we now have the 3 companies in portfolio. One is GEOBIRO Bosnia is the main company. Also the BIM services in Germany, which cover the Europe. Also the GEOBIRO Egypt, which we use as backup production for now. And mainly we now work in UK market and European market. And also we have some really great clients in US. So in the future, we want to extend our market in US. Connected with that, in February, we will be exhibitors on the GeoWeek Expo in Denver. So we will show our services to the US market there, and in the next year we are also planning some more expos in US to extend our business there.
Fantastic. And I wish you the very best for your business expansion.
And thank you very much.
Enes, my last question to you. GeoBiro is the newest member of WGIC. Welcome on board. Tell us what brings you to WGIC and how do you intend to leverage WGIC member strengths and capabilities?
Yes, we last years we really hard on the networking, and this is one of these steps to join the foundation like this, and to share the experience with the members, and also to meet and share experience with members on the market, and to extend our businesses, and to meet new colleagues and share experience with them.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and letting us know about GeoBiro. All the best to you for your business endeavors.
Yeah, you are welcome, and looking forward for the new meetings and connections in the future.